easy tricks. How is your maths practice going on? Oh, why I'm asking? It must be going on great. So, students, without wasting time, let's start today's session. So, today we are going to study about laws of exponents. These laws will help you out in doing all the sums of exponents and powers chapter. So, first law is a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n will give the result a raised to the power m plus n. It means when our bases are equal and our powers are not equal, but they are in multiply form. So, what we will do? We will take a base. We will take the base a only and then just plus the our powers. Let's take an example. So, our example is 2 raised to the power 5 into 2 raised to the power 3. So, see here, 2 is the base here, 2 is the same base, okay? But the powers are different and they are in multiply. So, what we will do? We will do 2, 5 plus 3 will give the result 2 raised to the power 8, okay? So, guys, our second law is a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n will give the result a raised to the power m minus n. It means when our bases are in divide form, these are upon means they have to be divided. So, if they are in divide form, what we will do? We will separately just minus it. So, let's take an example now. So, our example is 7 raised to the power 13 divided by 7 raised to the power 10. So, the bases are same, powers are not same and they are in divide form. So, what we will do? We will minus it. Okay? We will minus it. So, 7, 13 minus 10. Next step. Then 7, 13 minus 10 is 3. So, 7 raised to the power 3 is your answer. So, our third law is a raised to the power m into b raised to the power m will give the result bracket a into b raised to the power m. So, in this our bases are not same. Our powers are same. Such situation in front of us, what we will do? We will simply do in bracket a into b raised to the power m. Let's understand this law with the help of an example. So, our example is 4 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 3. So, here our bases are not same, but our powers are same. So, what we will do? We will do it in bracket, write 4 into 2, bracket close, raised to the power 3. So, 4 2s are 8 raised to the power 3. So, our next law is a raised to the power m bracket n equal to will give the result a raised to the power m into n. So, let's understand this law with the help of an example again. So, our law is, example is 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 100. 2 into 100. 2 into 100 is 200 raised to the power 100 is our answer. So, our fifth law is a raised to the power m upon b raised to the power m will give the result a raised to the power a upon b bracket raised to the power m. Our bases are not same, but our powers are same. So, what we will do? We will take our bases in bracket and then raise to the power m. So, let's understand this law with the help of an example. 4 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 5. So, see here, our bases are not same, but our powers are same. So, what we will do? We will write 4. First of all, we will write like this. 4 raised to the power 5 upon 3 raised to the power 5. Okay. So, what we will do now? As per this thing, So 4 bracket raised to the power 5. Okay. So this is your answer. So your sixth law is zero exponent. So what is this zero exponent? Okay. Let me tell you. So suppose our example is 25 bracket raised to the power 0. So how will you do it? See, there's the power, the power is 0. So what we will do? When the power is 0, what we will do? We will take it in 1. We will take the answer 1. Because the law, why I did it? Because of the law that says a raised to the power 0 will give the result 1. And a is 25 here. Okay. So guys, let's do some practice questions. Okay. So your first is 6 raised to the power 15 divided by 6 raised to the power 10. Okay. So what will be the answer for this? Answer for this will be, as the powers are different but the bases are same. So what we will do? We will 6 15 minus 10. So 6 15 minus 10 is 5. So why I did it? Why did minus? Because of the law that says a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n will give the result a raised to the power m minus n. Okay. Next to another second. So second is 3 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power 8. So the bases are same but the powers are not equal and they are in multiply. So what we will do? We will add the powers. 2 plus 4 plus 8. So what will result? So 4 plus 2 is 6 and 6 plus 8 is 14. 3 raised to the power 14. So why did plus? Because of the law that says a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n will give the result a raised to the power m plus n. Okay. So now let's do some mixed question. Third, 5 bracket 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. In this sum, you have to do 2 operations. Okay, you have to apply 2 laws. So, what you will do for this? 2 into 3 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Why I multiplied it? Because of the law that says a raised to the power m bracket n will give the result a raised to the power m into n. Okay. So 5, 2 3s are 6 divided by 5 raised to the power 3. Now they are in divide form. So what you will do? 5 raised to the power 6 minus 3. So 5 raised to the power 3 is your answer. Okay. You need to write the law also. Why I minus it? Because of the law that says a raised to the power m upon a raised to the power n will give the result a raised to the power m minus n. So our fourth practice question is 2 raised to the power 5 multiplied by 5 raised to the power 5. So here you can see that our bases are not same but our powers are same. So what we will do? We will multiply our bases. Okay, so 2 into 5 raised to the power 5. 2 5s are 10 raised to the power 5. Guys, you need to write the laws and what are you writing? Okay. So what law I have used? I have used the law that says a raised to the power m multiplied by b raised to the power m will give the result a raised to the power into b raised to the power m. Okay. So our fifth practice question is 2 raised to the power 20 divided by 2 raised to the power 15 into 2 raised to the power 3. Okay. So what we will do in this? So this is in divide form. So what we will do? We will minus it, subtract it. 2 raised to the power 20 minus 15. Okay. Into 2 raised to the power 3. Okay, so 20 minus 15 is 5 into 2 raised to the power 3. So what we will do now, we will plus it because the bases are same, powers are not same, and they are in multiply form. So 2, 5 plus 3, 2 raised to power 8. Okay, so what here we have used the law. What law we have used here? A raised to the power m upon a raised to power n will give the result a raised to the power m minus n. Okay, and here what we have used? We have used plus 1. That says a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n will give result a raised to power m plus n. Okay, so guys, this was all about our practice questions. So this was all about our today's session. I hope you all would have understood what I have taught you. Please like, subscribe my video and press the notification bell also. Thank you.